What is up, YouTube? It is Truth, and I'm here today with a little bit different video. I am headed to Walmart, as you guys can see here. Headed to Walmart, and I have a return I gotta do. Return something. I guess a selfie stick. I never used it, but I gotta return the selfie stick. And I'm into sneakers, but I'm also into the pop Funkos, the vinyl action figures. So they got one of the Jordan ones. It's the 10-inch one that's actually here, and I think it's like 29 bucks or something like that. But I actually want to go and pick it up, so I figure I'll just take you guys with me to show you where it's at. So if you're interested in it, they are at Walmart, and see what else they got. But y'all stay tuned. Got the return. Now I can go over and get the actual Funko. So just so you guys know, the Funko is in the electronics department. So I'm gonna take you guys over there and show you where it is in my store. So whenever you go in, you won't have any problems finding it. So let's head over there. Over in the electronics department. Hey, it's my dude from last time. What's up, man? How you doing? So this over in the electronics department, this is where you're gonna find them. So we have a couple of different ones. Daryl Fibbin, the Greek Freak, Russell Westbrook, a couple other ones. Yeah, I'm into the sport ones, not so much the other one. Deadpool. But this is the one. It looks like they only have 2 Jordans left, but this box right here is kind of beat. See, you got the Concord 11s, $29.96. Let's check this box. This box is pretty good. It got a little imperfection there. But besides that, on this side too. So I don't know between the two of them. This one actually might be the better one, even though it just has the perfection on the front. Got this little imperfection right here, man. I might just have to live with that, man. Only 2 more left. They had the whole end cap that was full. So let's go ahead and cash this guy out so we can get him home and review him. They didn't have a big enough bag. Look at this bag. They didn't have a big enough bag for me to put him in, but I did get him. So we'll get home. The boxes is kind of beat, but I know if I get them shipped to me, it's gonna be the same thing. So whatever, we'll see what it is. But we're gonna get them home, unbox them, talk about them a little bit, man, and then I'm gonna start doing more videos about the Pop Funkos, man. Just as a collectible, I really don't sell them like that or anything like that, like a lot of people do. I don't even know if some of the ones I have are expensive or what the resale value for them is. I haven't checked off into that. But like I said, man, let's get it to the house. Let's review them. Want to look at this one?
No, you're good, man.
Okay. Nice picture, man.
Oh, yeah?
Really nice picture.
Crucifixion of Jesus on the cross, come on.
Wow, that's awesome.
I'm going to connect up this cross right here. And give,
That's awesome.
So,
look at that. That's awesome.
Yeah, this is Lenten period,
Yeah. Awesome. You have a good night, man. That was a dope picture, man. That guy, he was just a worker, and he was doodling on a napkin, and he was drawing a picture of Jesus on the cross. Like you seen on there, good picture, bro. Like, wow. I mean, it's amazing to get filled with the Spirit no matter where you go, man. You know, I always gotta look for Christ in everything you do, especially in these times that we're in, man. Gotta think positive, man. Blessings to everybody. Made it back to the crib, safe and sound. Got my guy sitting right here with me. We're gonna unbox it real quick. The thing is that it's kind of one of those things. The reason why everybody has different reasons to get off into whatever collection hobbies that they like to get off into. A lot of times it's money driven for resale and stuff like that. But sometimes it's just, you know, it's just for satisfaction. It's something cool. You know what I'm saying? I like the Funkos just because the detail on them is crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like, if they got on some Jordans, the Jordans look legitimate. You know what I'm saying? That's why I really like these Funkos. Not solely for the resale value, but like I said, I'm not off into the Star Wars, Star Trek ones. I'm only off into the ones that I like, man. My motto always is, rock what you like, not what's hype. Buy what you like, not what's hype. So, you know, I'm always off into the sports. I got some bad boys, and I'm gonna start doing a lot of unboxing of them to show you guys also. Now, with that being said, I'm on my race to 5K by my birthday, which is in June. It's very soon. So, man, I'm rhyming like Pac up in here. But anyway, so if you guys can go ahead and smash the subscribe button, turn the notification bell, do all that good stuff for whenever I drop any type of videos, man. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos here coming up. But anyway, so today we're here about the Pop Funko. This is the number 75. This is the Air Jordan. My guy Jordan, this is the 10-inch figure. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to unbox this. And like I said, the details on them are crazy. I do have this one. This is number 54. So it's basically not the same thing because the shoes and stuff are different, but you know what I'm saying, it's a lot bigger than the original one. So let me go ahead and put this one here. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. I'm gonna be careful because the box is already beat. So like I said, the detail is crazy. So this is the backdrop on the actual box for the guy. So it's like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and, because this is going back in the box after I show you guys. Alright, so I was at the Sneakers Travelers event and I seen these Funkos, and they were actually sitting, they were reselling for like 58, 60 bucks is what they were selling them at the Sneakers Travelers. And like I said, at Walmart, they were $29.99. So just always keep your eyes open. You never know. And I hope that I gave you guys good direction. Electronics department is where they're located at mines here in Florida, at my Walmart. But you can also go to walmart.com. I'll put that down in the description section. You can click there to purchase as well. But as you can see here, we have the Michael Jordan Funko. You have the basketball, of course. And like I said, the detail on it is crazy. The basketball actually has the bumps in it, just like a normal basketball. You have the 23 home jersey. You have the wrist, the elbow pad, the elbow band. And look at the shoes, man. This is the reason why I collect these things. Look at the shoes on the bottom of this Funko. Dope. You know what I'm saying? The detailing is crazy. It doesn't have the Jordan, the Jumpman logo on them, and that's probably for a lot of reasons, maybe for like copyright issues and stuff like that. But they do look like the Concord 11s. You definitely know what this shoe is. And on the back of the Funko, you do have the Jordan 23. So, like I said, the detail is crazy. Of course, the face doesn't look that much like him, but the detail is crazy. And yeah, man, I'm just excited I was able to get my hand on it. So you guys comment below. Let me know if you have a collection, if you even own any of these. Let me know if you own any of these Funkos, or what do you collect if you are a Funko collector, man. If you're a pop collector, what is it that you collect? It's your boy Truth. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Y'all stay tuned for many videos and for an upcoming giveaway. I'm going to be doing that. So sooner, over my next 2 or 3 videos, I'll be putting some information down about a giveaway. It's your boy Truth. Rock what you like, not what's hype. I'm out.
Them hard, I should cop me a pair. Jordan ain't the only one that's in air. As I'm walking upstairs, I prefer that you follow me up there, but you still gotta know what you wear.